Hey guys! Welcome back to Kiddie Toys channel. We have a late upload of Inside Out characters. Here fear, sadness, joy, anger, disgust, and rally. Let's see their figures. So come here, my assistant. Let's start to review these toys.
Yes, it's tea time. I already fear here.
Oh, that one is fear.
Yes, he's afraid.
It's always afraid.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't. He can't stand. Maybe he likes it. And he's sadness.
Oh, sadness.
The baby. She can't stand also. Oh, she can stand. And let's see. Joy can stand. No, she can't stand it. It's down.
I see.
Yes, she can't stand it.
Oh, she's very happy all the time.
Yes.
That's why she called Joy.
Oh, Joy.
I like her hair.
Yes.
She has a very colorful hair.
Yes.
Oh, why Joy is wearing white dress? Oh, I think she changes her clothes.
My favorite here is disgusting.
Oh, Disgust is your favorite.
Yes, because she has a beautiful hair. It's right, Lucy.
What can you say about Riley?
Riley is all these figures come from her head.
Oh, I see.
They come from her head. She's angry. She's angry and sad and happy and disgusting and afraid and happy. She's always happy. She's happy now. She's smiling like joy. It's right over here.
Well guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.